What's up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today we are looking at the BAG1200, which is a waterproof travel carry bag for fog and haze machines that also comes with a fluid container. This bag will fit our Rockville R1200L fog machine, as well as both our Rock Haze 700 and Rock Haze 1000 haze machines, as well as any other fog or haze machines that has dimensions that are less or equal to 15 inches long by 12 inches wide and 11 inches deep. I have one here in front of me. Let's take a closer look. So the bag itself is made from incredibly high quality, waterproof 1680D nylon material. And even the zipper system is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about liquid getting in or out of the bag. All around the bag, thick foam has been stitched into the walls of the bag, so your equipment is protected from all angles. And on the bottom of the bag, we have 5 rubber non-slip feet that add extra protection and stability when you're placing the bag down. And then we have the 2 carry handles on top, which you can Velcro together to make transporting from gig to gig a breeze. Now on either side of the bag, we have padded zippered pockets that you could put accessories like DMX cables, remote controls, and power strips. Now if we open up the bag and look inside, you'll notice that there are 2 compartments, one for the fog or haze machine and one for the fluid container. And there's also a high quality Velcro fastening belt that you can wrap around your machine to secure it, even if your machine is a little smaller in the compartment, like our R700 and R720L fog machines. And this is actually a really great feature of the bag. It comes with an additional fluid container to carry additional fog and haze fluid. The container fits perfectly in the bag, has a 4-liter capacity, and there's an airtight mechanism which will ensure there's no leaks even if you turn it upside down. As you can see, this bag comes fully equipped with everything you'll need for your next show, whether you're a DJ, a gigging musician, running a party or dance hall, or a small or large venue. So if you're looking for a portable or versatile waterproof carry travel bag for your haze or fog machine, look no further than the BAG1200 from Rockville. As always guys, I'm Mike from Rockville. I'll see you next time.